Alright guys, and welcome back, and here we are, the first of many camping trips. This is Barrington Tops National Park, Pole Blue Campground. Rightio, and here we are coming back down, showing a bit of the campground, showing a bit of the road coming in. Got my van and Mum and Dad's van over there, and the cruisers. Would have been a good spot for a few other friends and stuff to come up, and we'll definitely come back here again. Right, we'll get this drone on the ground, and I think we've got some photos and stuff coming up next, but we'll see. Alright guys, as you can see, we're exiting the campground here and going up the road a bit. We're going down to see what's called the Firs. It's a North American pine plantation. Very beautiful spot. Probably one of the only spots you can see something like this that's been untouched since 1984 or something like that, it said on the sign, when they planted it all. And we'll head up the road here, get the camera moving a bit quicker, and we'll get up there and have a look at them. Here we are coming in the Firs on the left hand turn there, and you can see it's just one of these spots that you just need to visit. It's just absolutely gorgeous in here, and nowhere near as cold as the campsite at Pole Blue, surprisingly. But yeah, we'll show you around here a bit. I was too scared to get the drone in the area because yeah, it's just not enough space for me yet. But yeah, here we go, the first sign, and a bit of a look around. We go up and have a look over. Yeah, it's very, very beautiful spot. Back with you in a minute. I'd like to thank the young fella and the wife and that, taking a few photos for me too. Russell, the young fella, takes a good photo actually with his phone. And there's a few of them on here that are his. But yeah, I'd like to point out a couple that are his. And yeah, thanks Russ. Rightio, now we'll get down to the Dingo gate and show you a few more photos down there that we all took. Russ took a few of these ones too. I know there's some long driving sequences and stuff here. I would say I probably might have made them too long, but the scenery up there is just something else. You know, you just sit back and take it in, the trees and everything. It is such a lovely spot. Rightio, you've just seen a bit of slow-mo footage there from the fire. It's bloody cold at night now. That was done by Russ too, thanks mate. Now we're heading down to Pole Blue Waterfall here. Another beautiful spot just on the other side of Horse Swamp Campground. I didn't really film the campground because there was too many people there, but that's where I'll be staying next time. And another photo from Russ, thanks mate. Another gorgeous waterfall here, and bit of drone footage here. Nearly dropped the drone in the drink a couple of times, but yeah, enjoy. Don't look at my ugly face. And yeah, we'll see how we go with the drone here, eh? Thank you, people. I hope the sight of my ugly face hasn't spoilt the beauty of this place for you yet, but just reading the sign up here, it says the water flowing out here flows out through the Hunter River, out at the mouth of the Hunter, 400 kilometres from where we are standing right now. My erratic drone footage isn't making anybody sick yet, but I'll get better, I promise. You can see down the side there, the creek continues on down that way. We were told by somebody that was there while we were there was a mob of people the day before us, or a couple of days before. They actually went canyoning down there. Now, it'd be bloody cold in that water because it was freezing when we were there. Can you imagine actually swimming in it? This is a 360 camera I bought from Big W a little while ago. Pretty cheap camera. Does alright actually, you can get a pretty good view of it. This is actually the first time I've used it, so I think it goes alright, so it's not too bad. We're on our way back here to camp again now, so we'll get back there, and I think there's a few more photos and we'll wrap him up. A few more photos here to end it off, courteous of Russ and a couple of the wife. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing more of these now with a bit of drone footage. We've got another camp coming up in a couple of weeks. This one's at a caravan park up the way from us a bit. So I'll see you there. We'll get that edited and get it up here and hopefully start enjoying this stuff. But we've got a few things coming up and a bit more out of the shed stuff as well. And alright, I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.